Shopping tayo, guys. Today is a summer day, summertime. This one is for the summer, guys. Have more size. $99. Okay. Food tip. Ganito rin guys yung chinilas ko dito, pero ano ko na guys yun eh. Naputol yung ano niya. Yung apakan. Ito. Ganito yung chinilas ko, pero naputol yung apakan niya. Tinapon ko na guys. I just throw away that. This is good, but this one $199. Now guys, we have sale in here. I go shopping guys. How much this one? $199. $199, so cheap now, ah. But the size not okay or not good. Sale now guys. Sale $199. Oh no, sale guys. I don't know why this is sale. Too much sale the shoes now. I want this one. Sale. This one is $499, but now is sale guys. Yes. I want to buy this. This is for girls also. What size this one? My size is 40 to 42. But this is not. Sale. Wow, why sale today guys? Why this shoes is so sale? Yeah, before expensive. Yeah. Okay, this shoes before is okay. China pala sa guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have. Thank you. $10. guys, shopping more. Maghahanap tayo ng shorts guys. 460 to 480 guys. Ang ganda dito guys, oh. Yan. Swimsuit. It's summertime na guys, that's why we need to buy a swimsuit. Yeah. So much shopping here guys. Maraming tao dito guys kasi nagsha-shopping. Ayan. Tapos may paakit-akit naman doon sa taas. Ako kanina saan ako dumaan guys. Maraming tao dito guys. People here. Ayan. Ako naman guys, bumili naman ako ng sandal natin guys. Oh. Ito, sandal. Bumili ako ng sandal ko guys. Kasi ano ngayon, summer. It's summer day. Too much sale because of summer guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh, too much people here. Ayan. I shop also my slipper, my sandals guys. If you have holiday, you can. Yeah, I buy this one guys, oh. That one. The black Mont Solar. That's I buy today. Ayan. Then I will go out. I have to pick up my ward. I want to buy shorts. Okay guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yes. Yan. Tapos guys, ayan, shopping tayo guys. It's a shopping day. This is my guys sandal. Yan. Joseph Sebel. Dito pala bumibili si ano. Kaya pala. Tayo lang cellphone natin guys. We will try this one guys if this is okay. Okay also, but this is very tall for me guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. Ito guys, para makita ang face. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I will go out now guys. Because I am already by my summer day. That's why too much also people buy the luggage guys. They buy luggage for vacation. Yan. Ayan guys. We are here. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Hello guys. Maghanap-hanap tayo dito ng ating susuotin guys. Oo. Ayan. Mga gandang mga damit dito. Mga langga. Ayan. Yan. Yan. Ayan guys. Yung ating ayan. Diba? Hoy, nakano ka na dyan. Ayan guys, ito tayo. Oh, di ba guys, ang ganda, H&M. Ayan, bili na kayo dito guys. Magandang mga dress dito guys. Oh, di ba? Magandang mga damit. Sana yon. Ayan guys, oh. Diyan tayo. Daming dala ko guys. Ayan. Saan ka na? Ayan guys, magandang dress. Kung gusto nyo guys mag-dress guys ng ganito, hali kayo dito. Okay? Mag-dress kayo. Ayan, dami-daming damit dito guys. Tapos ka na ba dyan? Dito na ako. Hello guys. Dito tayo ngayon guys. Diba? Pulang-pula yung ano. Today is raining guys. Raining outside. That's why we are here inside the mall. We are here inside the mall guys. So see, look at that. The rain outside. Raining outside. Oh, see? All people there guys. So much rain. That's why we stay inside guys. Ayan. Enjoy watching tayo. Daming ano guys kaya. Rainy day. Good morning guys. I buy this one guys. This one is good. It's fit for me. Moon Solier. Yeah, I buy this one guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and God bless us. The size this one guys is 39 can for me. That's why window first before buy guys. Thank you so much and God bless us. Before this one is 400, now it's 400 500 yes, now is 199 sale. I buy already. Thank you for watching.